handling the things. So we are so many well-known clients from Pune, around the Pune is also with us. We manage the services such as IT infrastructure services for Bajaj Finserv. We are providing the cloud support along with the Oracle. We are providing database management services to Symbiosis, whatever they are distance education. Currently, we are handling that whole distance education program. One of the petrochemical company in Goa, for that also database management services we are handling. We are providing performance tuning to database also supports. And want to improve their databases tuning, we are providing that also. Middleware services, upgradation of migration and patching. So you people are very new to these terms, but this is our corporate profile, that is updating and migration means suppose any of the client want to shift from one cloud to another cloud. We are providing such migration services also. We are providing cloud services online and remotely we are handling our client. Capabilities, these are key capabilities: engineer system implementation, maintenance, optimization, RDBMS, NoSQL databases we are handling. We are working on MongoDB, Neo4j, or Cassandra. So all non-SQL database also we are working. So enterprise mobile native applications are also we are developing. Currently we have started the development in Flutter also. Flutter is one of the technology to develop the applications, mobile application. We will work on both the platform, iOS also and the Android also. So such a native hybrid applications development also we are providing. Also we are providing the solutions using Ionic framework, which is again the one of the framework to develop the mobile applications. So Ionic, Flutter, Android, iOS, on all mobile technologies we are currently working. We are providing agile product development also. So we are using new technologies. So differentiator. So we are the technology expert. We are customer centric. Our customer focus is our main thing. Long-term engagement model is we are working on that. We are providing very cost. So currently we are working on these domain, that is the client, whatever the client, my clients are some banking. We are providing solution to some corporate banking as well as some huge bankings also, like HDFC and SBI is also our client. We are providing some database services to that companies. Finance domain also we are covering. Mobile application development is our key feature. We are providing in insurance and HRM is also we are developing the product. At education sector also we are currently developing one ERP for education sector for school and colleges, and we are customizing it according to customer need also. We are providing healthcare and life sciences also. Currently we are working with Wellness Pharma, which is one of the pharmaceutical company. We are providing solution to them also in healthcare domain. So currently 3 products are out in the market and 2 products we are currently working. So we developed the 5 complex product and we are modernized it, built 80+ and built intelligent solution, multiple industries. We have trusted over 90+ enterprises class product. We have supported and implemented more than 10K Linux as well as Windows Server, supported and configured more than 7K RDBMS and NoSQL databases. So huge work currently we are doing. So as I told you, HRMS management system provides the automatic payroll, timesheet, attendance, and systematic offboarding and onboarding solutions. So currently, the 4 to 5 companies in Chakan MIDC, they are purchased this RMS product. Now again, I am happy to say that one of the product, that is CHSS, Cooperative Housing Smart Society. For that, our client is Government of Maharashtra. We are developing this product for Government of Maharashtra. Within a couple of months, this process is get complete and product. Currently in Thane Municipal Corporation area and Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation area, the beta version of this product is running in some society. After the beta testing is or user performance testing is completed, then Government of Maharashtra launching this product all over the Maharashtra. Cooperative Housing Smart Society. We are selling this product to Government of Maharashtra. So this is our huge project, CHSS, which is we are developing PHP, and we are also applications such as Paranoma, the Arthoforum, the Fish Topite, Platinum Solution, and Ocean One. So these are the some mobile applications to handle, such as Platinum Solution is handling the credit card inventory and credit card solution to one of the bank in USA. So due to some agreement with that bank, I can't disclose the name, but Platinum is one of the solution for that bank. Also, whatever the product, web application, HRMS, Wilking, AP System, Platinum Solution, Ocean One, these systems are working on mobile platform as well as on web platform also. So we are providing solutions. We are having 4 clients from Canada and US. For that, we are developing this Wilking and Platinum Solution. Wilking is a supply chain management solution. You can go to our www.technogrowthsolution.com or technogrowth.com. There you can find everything about Wilking. So solution we have provided to one of the supply chain company in US. This is our technology stack. Currently, we are working on all these technology, such as we are in a web space, we are in the mobile, Android, iOS. We are also working on content development using Angular and AngularJS. We are at a database side, MongoDB. We are at the server side also, IBM Sprayer. We are on cloud also, such as the Microsoft Azure, Oracle, and AWS. We are also, I'm happy to say that we are the official partner of Oracle and Linux for providing the trainings to students and those who the companies. We are also working on, we are little bit working on Java, but majorly we are working on the web and mobile platforms and database, web and mobile. These are our strength, and working on cloud. We are providing cloud services. These are our happy clients till date. So Wilking is our client since 2016. We are providing so many solutions to Wilking or PDCC Bank, Himalaya. We are currently entered in healthcare solutions also, such as Himalaya is our recent client in last 6 months. To Janata, Sahkari Bank, AP System, Glided, Minute, or Sarvatra technology. For this Sarvatra, we are providing the human resources. So many people from my company, they are on my payroll, but they are working for this Sarvatra technology. For algorithm company also, we are providing the people. So we are people solution, we are technology solution, both. So we are creating knowledge and we are this thing to the company. So this is all about Technogrowth. So this is a one side of our Technogrowth, which is a pure software company through which we are providing solutions, through which we are giving the services to industry and different sectors and different domains. But what happens whenever we are providing the training and solution on problem? So in 2008, we have developed we have started one more company. That company name is open one more company which provides the training also. Logipool. So my student, Technogrowth and Logipool, these are the same people, same working culture, same development center, but we are using 2 names. One name in training domain and another name in development domain. Means through logic pool, we are creating the logic, the people, pool of logical people. And we are importing this pool of logical people, or we are using this pool of logical people for development purpose in a techno growth as well as our another clients such as algorithm, e-jest, or Sarvatra technologies. So there are so many clients to which we are providing the human resource. So this Logipool is nothing but we are calling it as a IT Gurukul. IT Gurukul means we are not any institute. First, be clear. We are not any training institute. We are not providing any training or things. It is a Gurukul type of thing. So Logipool, we are not a training institute. We are not a training institute, but we are the pool of logical people from Technogrowth Software Solution Private Limited. Means whatever the people who are working in Technogrowth, they are giving education to learn the things, to learn the new technologies. That is whatever our experience with Treasure from 2016. That is, you people are not polished one to directly work on project. So to manage you, we get a difficulty. And in that case, there is a frustration at both the sides. Student also get frustrated and we people also get frustrated. So this is our experience since 2016. So in 2018, we have developed another way to come to get opportunity in Technogrowth. You become a first part of Logipool Infotech. You are get trained there for some couple of months, and then we are acquiring you, or then we are. Yes, sir. You want to speak something?
No, sir. You continue, sir.
Yes. Then we are taking you in a Technogrowth. That is whenever you are getting a training in Logipool, or when you get trained in a Logipool, your first client is a Technogrowth. And then from Technogrowth, if any another client want to work you on, so we will import you or we will plug you there. So this is the path, or this is a teaching our path for you people. So we are the not training institute, but we are the pool of logical people. So what is Technogrowth? What is Logipool? So Logipool is IT Gurukul run by the software company which is Private Limited. So whatever the 40 people working there, the same developer, means here you can learn from the developer. You will not learn from any teacher or any trainer. So the people who are directly working on project, the same people will train you, or it is not a classroom type of teaching. So there is a classroom of teaching, but very small.
Hello, Ravi sir.
नाही येत आहे.
आवाज नाही येत आहे?
नाही.
ओके. सरांचा आवाज नाही येत आहे.
ऍक्च्युली हँग होत आहे, म्हणजे पोरांना मला माहिती जातोय, हँग होत आहे.
हा, ते नेटवर्कचा प्रॉब्लेम असेल.
Okay. So you people are not habitual with writing a code. So our methodology. Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, sir. Repeat one slide before third number slide. Please repeat it.
Okay. So there is a network problem. Sorry for interruption. But who we are? Logipool. So IT Gurukul, which is a company run by, or which is a Gurukul run by the software. Just a minute. So we are a company which is run by the IT company or a software company, that is Techno Software Solution Private Limited. We are a IT Gurukul who know better what is. We are the IT Gurukul having 70 plus year of cumulative from IT industry as well as from different domain. And here we are following the project-based learning methodology. Project-based learning methodology. This is all about the Logipool Infotech. We are giving here personal attention to each and every student. So my question is to all students who are currently in BE, tell me how many line of code you have written till date. Anyone? You can give the also.
Yes, we response in the chat box also.
Yes, Rutuja.
No one.
Rutuja or Rishu, Prem. Anyone? Give the response. Yeah, infinite code. We have not heard the question. Okay, I repeat the question. How many line of code you have written till date, or how many line of code you are daily writing? $300 to $400. That is Rishu. Thank you, Rishu. That is you have written the code 300 line, 400 line till date, but which is not. It is not sufficient. Yes, ma'am. You want to speak something? So that much line of code is not sufficient to become a good software developer. So we are following the thing is 200 lines of code daily we are giving you to write. So hands-on training is there. We are giving you the experience on 2 live projects. Concept-wise interview question, quizzes, solved and unsolved assignments. So we are covering each and everything at Logipool. So here you can from industry expert instead of just trainers. 70% of cumulative experience we are having. Here we are not grooming you on just technology, but soft skill and business communication preparation. Suppose currently I tell you write one mail to some people. So you get afraid of writing a mail, which is called as business communication. So we are providing you within that internship. We will provide you a training on how to write the official mails, how to is the in. So we are giving you each and everything to get you in a good company or get a good IT career. So currently what student we are taking 100% placement record is there. We are providing internship opportunity, oriented opportunity, and lifetime placement assistance also we are giving, because we are the human resource provider also to so many companies. So many people are there with me since last 3 years. So we are deploying them to in different companies, and when work is finished, again we are importing them in a Technogrowth. So in this way, giving a people to so many industry and so many IT industries, we can deploy you so that you will get the better and better experience. So also in our company, we are giving you the guidance to start your own business. That is, we are creating entrepreneurs also. So how to start your own company, how to register your company, what is the procedure. So we are giving that guidance also, how to develop the finance, what are the options to develop the finance. We are giving that training also along with your technical internship. So much things are there in Technogrowth and Logipool to learn. We offer IT based learning program. We are providing workshops, seminars. So many things we are providing. We are the official partner for Red Hat and Oracle. So when you want to give any certification from Red Hat or Oracle Corporation Private Limited, so we are the official partner with Red Hat and Oracle to give you the training. Also, we will provide you a training for cloud certification programs such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and Oracle Cloud. So on all cloud platforms, we will provide you the training. Oracle Cloud Certification Program, AWS Cloud Certification Program, Google Cloud Certification Program, Microsoft Cloud Certification Program, all Oracle Certification Examination, all Red Hat Certification Examinations such as RSCSA, RSC, that is Red Hat Certified System Administrator and Red Hat Certified System Engineer. All trainings are provided at our end in Technogrowth and Logipool. So this is our teaching methodology, or this is our training methodology. We are not giving you the face-to-face classroom teaching. We are providing you face-to-face, but the portion is very small. The second step to train you, the visualize. So we are giving you some online and some course material. That is, visualization is important in teaching. So this is own methodology developed at Technogrowth and Logipool. First listen, then visualize. So there are some good playlists we have created on different technologies. So we are providing you that playlist also, and through which we will train you, because visualization, through visualized videos, through infographics video, we are teaching you, because pictures say thousands of words. Some of the student or some of the candidate can't understand the concept from book or some PDF files. So we have created some visualization. Using that visualization, you can understand. Then our third step is a practice. Yes, interview questions. First, we are giving you the solved assignment so that you can dirty your hand with code, and then we are providing you the unsolved assignments. So we are grooming you from 0th level. That is, we are directly not giving you the unsolved thing and you try it. First, we are giving you some solved things. See how that things are coded using industry standard. Whatever coding you are doing, that coding is just to solve the assignment at college level. But how to do the modularized coding, industry standard coding, how to code for industry so that you will be more refactorable, more readable. So we will teach you that, and then the unsolved thing. Then our next level to teach you is a present. Present is very important. So huge portion we are giving them. So face-to-face, very small portion, then visualize some large portion, then practice again some large portion, and then present. So you teach same concept to your juniors in company. You can teach same concept to your peers whatever your teammates, you give attention. You're presenting something to someone. Obviously, there is a so much for you. So present is a very much important factor. So we are providing in this way, and the portion is apply. Whatever you are learning from, listen, visualize, practice, and present. You have to apply it for 2 live projects. And these live projects, we are giving you the training from requirement to deployment, because we are the small scale industry. So whenever you are the part of Technogrowth and Logipool, we will involve you in customer meeting also, so that you will get experience. That is how to develop a software from scratch. That is how customer requirement is there, how that requirement is put into team, how that requirement is divided into team, and how the team is working on the requirement, and finally how that requirement is converted into code, and finally it is get tested and deployed. The whole SDLC experience that using the agile software development technologies such as DevOps and the extreme programming, and so many things can learn here. So whatever you learn in book, the practical is here. So we are more focused on project-based learning or the product-based learning. Project and product-based learning. Here you can get an experience of how to develop your own product, as well as here you get an experience how to sell that product. That is how to do the marketing. Whenever you want to become a CEO of any company or any organization, first must be good salesman. In every CEO, there is a salesman or there is a salesperson. So first you become a very good person. So every CEO is a first a salesperson. You should have a selling ability to sell yourself, to sell the product, yourself product or whatever. If you have that selling ability, definitely you have a bright future. So we will develop in you that selling ability. To develop a product, how to find out your targeted customer and how to sell. Here you can get an experience of marketing also. That is how to market your product, because we are as well as service-based company. Our methodology is a smarter way to learn, going beyond the classroom. Here you get experience to start a company, to develop a product, to sell the product, how to behave in a company, that is corporate etiquettes, business communication, team building, leadership. That is a whole grooming is there. So we are calling it a Gurukul. In Pune, we are the only company which is having their own software firm. We are the only company, or we are the only, I'm not saying the training institute again. We are the only one who will have a software company who will groom you along with software company. That is, get an experience in working in company as well as how to learn the technology, or learn the technology in a software company, you can say in such a way. This is how we will work. So whenever you become a part of a Technogrowth or a Logipool, there is a personal mentoring. One personal mentor is giving to you. So that personal mentoring model, our model is to work on one-to-one with our student or candidate, guiding them in all subject and application. It is the most successful form of educating the world over. So we are giving you the personal mentor who will tell you what to learn, how to learn, where to learn, तुम्हाला कुठून शिकायचंय, कसं. He's already gone through our process, so he knows better how to develop his peer or his junior. Then there is one career coach is there, some senior peoples are there. Our expert faculty or expert members work as a guide to counsel the student on the best practices in the industry. It guides them from the training to career counseling and giving you the purpose to new professional with foresight. Suppose you want to make a career in cloud, then what are the steps? Only you are saying that I want to become a cloud engineer. It is not sufficient. To become a cloud engineer, what are the steps? What is first step? What is second step? What are the opportunities? The courses there? Which courses are beneficial? What are the companies? How to prepare for the interviews for such company? So there is a thing. Also, with personal mentoring and career coach, here is a thing. So we have the best team. So we form the group, the similar people group, the people who are working on web development, people who are working on mobile development, the people who are working on cloud, the people who are working on DevOps. In this way also, we are developing the peers. And then some of the people are the success managers. So how to become, start your own business. How to, so whenever you become the older and older in technology, that success manager will teach. Of teaching, learning, and grooming, your interest is also important. If you are providing X amount of interest with us while this learning process, definitely we will give you the 2x amount of return interest. That is, we will show 2x amount of interest in you people, and we will give you the more and more opportunity. Student, there are so many people are with me since 2006. Currently, they are having, I'm giving them the salary just 22 per month, but that people are having the more opportunity in hand. But still that people are not leaving Technogrowth because they want to grow with the company. So many happy people are with me, such as Ravi Parmar is one of the student who is our own talent, or Vikram is there. So many people are there. So they are the part of our Technogrowth since 2016. So this is how we are working in a Technogrowth. So we are not the training institute. Here you can learn in a software company. So these are the courses. Also, we are giving some courses on commercial platform also. Whatever the student gets selected through our selection process, we are not charging anything to that student. Whatever the student we are selecting, after this introductory session, I will give people give your resume to Anuradha madam. Anuradha madam, in chat box, you please provide your mail ID so that people can, the student can approach you. So
Sir,
my student, hello?
I'm already.
Okay, you're already given. So my student, those who are interested in us, Technogrowth and Logipool, kindly mail your resume to Anuradha. Anuradha madam already provided you the mail ID. So depending upon how many student interested in us, we will conduct one interview process for all the people, second year, third year, and the current BE student, and we will give them the training free of cost. Again, I am repeating, free of cost to that student, which is a 3 months training. And then, depending on the purpose of training, the further path is decided. The live project, you mail your resume to Anuradha madam, well prepared resume, and those who are not selected in our process, option is for you people. You also approach the madam, or there are numbers on our website www.logipool.in. I will provide my number to sir also, so you take.
I'm providing numbers as well as my mail ID to your to students. Have you received all the students? Okay, Samir, I think almost we have to done all. The students give me a number as well as my contact number. please send me the resume as well as if any query regarding to the Logipool as well as the Technograph, please contact me.
So you contact to madam. Madam is our operation head. They are handling all the operations. How to do the onboard processing, how to get the student inside Technogrowth. So madam is handling all HR and operation things. So madam will collect the resume, and accordingly we will arrange the interview and select the students. So we will select you at second year level also and provide you that type of training, so that, and we will also provide you the certificate from Technogrowth and Logipool both, so that it is useful for you. Show that thing in your resume. But those who are not selected, we have a paid option also for you people. So there are basic courses, advanced courses, certification courses, and some courses are there also. So we are providing training from pre-placement, that is from aptitude, attitude to the full stack development, mean stack, full stack, near stack. That is, we are providing training on Python, Angular, Java, Oracle, data warehousing, or the certification courses such as Linux certification, Oracle certification, Oracle PLSQL, cloud technology, DevOps, Angular, Node, React, Android, Ionic, as well as Flutter. So we are providing training on a number of technologies. So we will provide, currently in a such pandemic situation, we are providing this trainings in online mode, but as this situation get resolved, we will provide you training in face-to-face at our development center at Karvenagar. So these are again some technologies. Suppose some people want to learn beyond this thing, like machine learning or data science, deep learning, Internet of Things. So we are providing that training also. So for corporate, so we are providing at corporate level also. So this is important for you. At college level also, we are providing the FDPs to you people on data science, data analytics. We are having tie-up with so many companies who are working on these technologies in these domains. I'm happy to say you, sir, that we have a tie-up with Tapsphere company, which is a Singapore company. Whatever the employees of Singapore company or they are in India, they can provide you the training on computer vision, computer visualization, or OpenCV, whatever the recent technology for augmented reality. So such portions are we are also covering, or we can give you the training on cloud, OpenStack, Microsoft, or Git, Jira, Docker, Ansible, and each and every technology we have, because we are full of logical people. We are having a people from Technogrowth, as well as we are associated with so many companies in industry for such a type of corporate training and faculty development program. So these are our figures. Logical people are currently working with in Technogrowth. More than 300 plus, 3,000 plus students. Till date we have trained. 2,000 plus placement we have given. 5 plus are there, and 1,000 plus workshop seminar FDPs we conducted till date. The Jayant Kotari, which are placed in the Harbinger AWS solution architect. So these people are there. So these are the some of the companies where we can deploy our student. We can deploy our student, or we can place our student. So whatever these companies are small scale companies. So what is the benefit? What this name you cannot hear. These companies' turnover is also in crores, but these companies are not going to hire the people at any college. So you people are not hear these names, but these companies are directly communicating with us, and they are asking the people, because these companies are, again, they do not have a time, or they do not want to waste their money on hiring process. So that they directly contact us and they ask the people who can work on the technology according to their need and want. And then we can provide the people to these companies. Suppose Nitor Infotech is our big client to whom we are providing the company. For Mobilia, with this Mobilia company, we are developing this CHSS product. Whatever the CHSS product, which is a combination of Mobilia company plus Technogrowth. So with both company, it is a joint venture product for government of Maharashtra. Or Leo Technosoft, Logipool, InnoSource, People Management, or Adatech, Wellness Forever, which is a pharmaceutical company. Currently, they have uh, started working in software also. So Wellness Forever, which is a chain of pharmaceutical shops, they are also starting software development. We are providing people to all these company. Means whenever part of Technogrowth and Logipool, you have the chance to work with these many companies. Sometimes we directly place you in this company, or sometimes we will provide you to chance to working with this company. And when the work is finished, you again the part of mutual understanding with this company. So these are some photos or photo gallery with some of the colleges with whom we are working. We are working with Navsahyadri Group of Institute. We are working with the Jnanashri Group of Institute at Sajjangarh. We are working with Praura Group of Institute at Loni. We are working with the Keystone College of Engineering at Kondwa. We are also working with some of the institute from JSPM Group. Whatever the seminar I am conducting currently in NMIT, last Sunday, same workshop I have conducted with MMCOE. We are starting working with MMCOE, Karve Nagar also. We are working with Cummins College also, which is a nearby college to our company. So we are working with so many colleges till date, and we are hiring the people from that colleges for this model, which we are called as. So my student, there are numerous opportunities in the industry, but we need to work together to identify these and ready to utilize these with both of the hands. So this is our contact details. So our development center is at Jnanadeep Colony, Sairaj Bungalow, Yogiraj Park, Ingri Budruk, Karvenagar, near Cummins College. Since we are away from 500, just 500 meters from Cummins College. So this is all think about the Logipool and Technogrowth. So it is my kind request to you student, if you are really interested in us, kindly provide your resume to madam. So accordingly, we will arrange the interview sessions in your institute with the help of your HOD sir, Davas sir. And then we will select some people. So whatever the people selected, they are the happy people. But whatever the people not selected, people also don't worry. There is a paid option for you people. You come to us according to your need. We will provide you that technology teaching or training to you people also. But again, I am repeating, we are not training institute like another company. Just give a training and finish the things. We are the IT Gurukul. So lifelong, you are the part of when you are doing any course from us. You are the life associated with us. Anytime you come to us, or any time within a life, we can give you the opportunity. Whenever there is a, sometimes you have a crisis in middle of your career. So at that time, to handle your middle career crisis also, we are here to help you. So throughout the life, we are with you. So this is the thing. So one more initiative currently we have started to help the people, which is our social initiative. My student, one more initiative we have started to train you the people in such pandemic situation. So we have started one YouTube channel with the name Rise and Shine. This is another feather in our box, that is a Technogrowth, Logipool and Rise and Shine, where you can get a training videos from programming, web technologies, engineering, competitive examining, as well as KG and school education. So we are providing some type of videos, so you can learn from here also. For the videos, whatever your academic subject, so we are providing guidance to this YouTube channel also. So whatever your academic subjects such as DBMS, theory of computation, or software development, analysis and design, or object-oriented development, so some videos which are useful for your college life, not for new technology, for college life. We are providing help, which is our social initiative. So you people can go to the channel also, www.youtube.com Rise Shine KG2PG, and you will get so many playlists on programming, web technologies, engineering, examination, which are some introductory videos, so that you can understand what is our teaching style, what is our visualized presentations and face-to-face thing. Sometimes we will provide you some live Google sessions, YouTube session also, which is an introductory sessions for that technology, so that you can find out whether I should work on that technology or not. So time to time, we will provide you links for live sessions, and that you can go to the channel, so that whatever your academic subject, you can prepare that academic subject also. Whatever our expertise can provide you guidance through this YouTube channel also. So many things we are developing here. You can also contribute to the channel also. So there are so many things. So this is all about the Technogrowth and Logipool.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Ravi, sir. Thank you so
Yes,
much,
sir.
sir. Yeah, the students will definitely get the benefit from your expertise and from your company. And I
Yes,
hope,
sir. Yes.
yeah, I hope many of the students will complete the internship successfully. So thank
Yes,
you
sir.
so much,
So
sir.
we are
Thank you
here.
so much, Anuradha ma'am.
Yeah. Welcome, sir.
Yeah.
I'm also
Yes, sir.
thankful to all the management and principal and you for giving us an opportunity for arranging such a session on your platform to introduce
Yes, sir.
ourselves to your student. So definitely we are happy to work with you, and I'm
Definitely.
assure you, whenever your students are selected in my company, they are in our safe hand, and definitely we will give something to the student,
Yeah, thank you so much,
so
sir.
that they can stand on their legs in the
Yeah,
industry.
yeah. Thank you so much. Oh.
Okay.